Start by selecting Utilities or pressing F6, then select Sequence Release Tool. A prompt to select a part will come up. Select the desired part and click OK. All work instructions associated with this part will appear in the Sequence Release Tools table. This video will focus on the sequence release process and editing features of the Sequence Release Tool. The Approver List menu contains lists of both major and minor approvers. A user account can be added as an approver by selecting Add Approver and selecting the desired account. Additional information about the selected approver can be entered in the Approver fields. An approver can be deleted by selecting Delete Approver. The Parts menu is the same parts menu that can be accessed through Part Management, and operation of this can be seen in the How to Edit and Create a New Part tutorial video. The Sequence menu is the same sequence menu that can be accessed through Edit Sequence, and operation of this can be seen in the Creating and Editing Test Sequences tutorial video. Review Changes allows changes made to the selected work instruction to be viewed and accepted or rejected. Selecting a change will highlight all the differences between the selected item and its previous iterations. These differences can be copied to notes that are included in the documentation of the work instruction by selecting Copy to Notes. Selecting Accept Review marks the highlighted item as having been reviewed. Selecting Accept All Review marks all items associated with the work instruction as having been reviewed. Needs Review negates the effect of accepting a review. Select OK to save changes. Selecting View Documentation shows the selected work instructions information in a docx file, similar to the Generate Documentation function. Submit opens a prompt to enter a comment about the selected work instruction that is to be reviewed for release. Once comments are entered, pressing OK will send the release to the default minor or major approver for a final review before release. Selecting Immediate will release the selected work instruction to be active and tested immediately. Approval opens the prompt that approvers must use to approve a sequence for release. Approve Release releases the sequence, while Reject Release revokes the sequence. Delegating a release can make another approver approve the release instead of who was originally assigned as an approver. Approvers can also be added and deleted with Add Approver and Delete Approver. Remind Approver sends an email to approvers as a reminder to make a decision on a pending release. Run Sequence for Review opens up the sequence in the Run Sequence window to ensure its proper operation before it's released. Superseded marks the selected work instruction as having been superseded by the newer version of it listed directly below it in the table. Revoked revokes the release status of the selected work instruction. Save Changes will save all changes made during a session of sequence release editing.